blessing, big up every time, yeah. You have people, so right about now, Zane, we know many people are saying, yo, Newlink, oh, you not talk about Kanye West. It's a history, Kanye West coming into Jamaica and everything like that. You understand, I'm doing big concert and everything tonight. Zane, anybody more says Newlink, oh, you not say nothing about this thing. Oh, you not do a look, you know what I mean? So Newlink decides, so you're going, you know, me no want to really say nothing, because you see, if you got heart now, people are going to say Newlink, this and that. Enough people, you know. But, because I'm going to be realistic. Well, me go to the first part right now. Big up Kanye West to Jamaica, bring in the gospel thing there. Yeah, man, preach the word of God. Zane? Alright. But see where now, the boss, they are Jamaica now. Zane? Or before I even reach. I see where several pastors start lick out. Zane? I say, yo, this and like they want to say some ungodly thing, some devil worshipping thing, or them something there Kanye West a deal with. You understand? And you see them pastor here who have them thing there, if you say, Uno, Newlink who go near Funo church, not even the doorway close to the step. No way. Close me want go near Uno church. Zine? Because if Uno go say that about this youth, what me if you say about Uno? You know what I mean? Because people, when we look, we know why they must say that, you know. Maybe because Kanye West, the man, is a rapper when you for the whole dirty and slap music and gangster tune, right? Maybe because him pass on remarks when he talk about slavery and them something they say, you know what I mean, like we choose it and we sell and them something there, you know what I mean? Maybe because him support Donald Trump, I don't know. But in the end, people, me can't watch that there, you know what I mean? And go against him now with the thing we do about the Almighty. Because you know me do first thing, people, me come so boom. I'm type in Kanye West, I want to see concert them, because to be honest, people I never know about this man saying giving life to the Almighty or nothing like that, you know. So since this thing at Jamaica, you know, so in the end, it open many of you guys are looking to me and say Kanye West can change and give over him life to the Almighty. That means, yo, whole heap of man can do the same, you know, people. So that's a good inspiration for many people, you know. You understand? In the end, it's up to him and the Almighty if a devil thing do, because when me see unto my eye people a godly thing. Me say me watch the concert, people and me act like come like me alone getting a spirit too. When the people start sing out and how the man feel and the reaction and everything. You understand? And in the end, people, I see where the minister, that's Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange, she has posted and she has saying, yo, Kanye West spent over $1 million to keep this concert, people. Over $1 million, you know. So just imagine, right? Over $1 million, and them said the government of Jamaica now will put in $1 and them are going to give back things to Jamaican as well. It's great, it's free, and it's a godly thing. You know what I mean? So I respect Kanye West to come pass through Jamaica and choose our beautiful country to bring this concert to. And everyone who are discriminate against him and say a devil thing them are dealing. So what I go do? So lady side devil thing she are dealing to. Eh? The phone said, and what? Ladies are proving the phone wrong because how long she rain out there. Yo, I'm so proud of Kanye West, people. You understand? And Mr. said the man feel it, the man, yo, the man is a living testimony. And that be any true Christian out there, you know what I mean? Uno got rate the youth. I respect him. Any look at devil worship out there, Uno got be the one to discriminate against him. And you know what I mean? But to me, Newlink, and my perspective is a great thing, this youth, and God has called him. You understand? I'm telling you, you know, people notice Newlink always a priest, the word of the Almighty too. So look at now. Me have my past before. Zane, I have some past before. And what now? Me I preach the word of the Almighty. Now me I get the people them nice, oh, you know what I mean, tell the youth them to put on the gun, stop the killing and everything like that, you know what I mean? So we are going to do judgment because maybe that's a look of pass and them something there and say, yo, when you link do a fake thing, come on man, be realistic man. No for uno pastor, uno act like say uno there out there in the world before uno get saved and go give uno life to God and start making much millions in a church. And now uno are going to talk about what the man a devil thing, the man a deal it, eh? You say uno, me say me even want to go near uno church doorway, nah the step. Got when you link say, you know what I mean? Me now go close to it. Watch them love give me bright light, and when me give them bright light, them a blink me. If anyone say me just turn on make me fog light in the eye now. And not me not sure. Yeah, easy my viewers and my subscribers. Yeah, sure. Yeah, people, so as me I tell you now, see? It's realistic. You know what I mean? Realistic. Me support him, man. Honestly, I feel good, people. Me feel good for Kanye feel good for Jamaica. It's just a great feeling. And anybody who not catch the feeling, anybody who not support the thing, me I tell you no, you no wrong. You need to support the man. You know, not to support him, but you need to, you know what I mean, make a change now in the life too. And enough entertainers out there, you need to watch Kanye West. Make sure the God can search there, you know. All you be in, man, make sure you reach there, you know. Enough of you hide down here. All of them, Javilani, the six, them, all on you. Once on the day at Jamaica, make sure you reach there. You understand? Make sure you reach up at that concert, because me I tell you, say, them need uno up there. Gotta call enough for uno to see them we are open. You can't take this and realize, listen, yeah. When we man tell most of the thing, when man tell us, say, listen, we see we're out in the world, eh? It's nothing compared to the Almighty. It's nothing. The Almighty is the most important of all. That's what the man tell us. You don't know anything of my viewers and my subscribers. This is Newlink from Newlink Production. That means say attack. Enough love people, enough respect, peace, blessings. Big up on yourself always. You know what I mean? Kanye West, great feelings people. No joke thing. Big up.